What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all had an awesome weekend. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. And right here, I'm going to start with capital.com charts. So I've already mentioned these zones on all three platforms here on capital.com, Ovanda, and on Nemex as well. So all three zones has been mentioned in my yesterday's video, one above and one below the trend continuation zones. Feel free to check my yesterday's video so that you can mark the zones as well. So at this point, price is still below 50 and 20 EMA, but in the long run, we are still in an uptrend. Now, the uptrend will only break once the price completely break and close below this green zone right here, and it will weak once the price will break below this previous low. So right here, the previous low I've already mentioned in my last video. So once the previous low is broken, only then I'll start to look for my long-term bearish trades. Otherwise, I'm still looking at the upside in a long run, but short term we can still look for bearish trades till this trend continuation area from where we look for possible buy trades. So for now, all I'm looking at a bearish engulfer. Our next candle can be a bearish engulfing candle. If we have that, a valid bearish engulfer, that will be a valid sell signal, and I'll go 1 ATR for my initial target. I'll manage it to 2 ATR. That's totally up to you if you want to manage it till this recent zone, or 2 ATR you want to exit your trade. But initially I'll use 1 ATR for my target. So that's what I'll be looking at, just a bearish engulfer, not looking for buying trades unless the price is here, or if let's say the price breaks above this red line, which is my 50 EMA, only then I'll start to look for the momentum and then pull back and bullish trades till the price hit my next level of resistance, which is right up there for my counter trend trade. So that is what I'll be looking at. Very simple. Look for the bearish pullback entry short term until we are trading below 50 and 20 EMA. Here on Nemex, exactly the same. We have a zone I've mentioned yesterday, one above and one below. So at this point, bearish engulfer will be my sell entry, and I will be going 1 to 2 ATR for my initial targets, and this is an area from where I'll start to look for my bullish engulfer, something like this, or double bottom from this area. And then we have a zone here from where I'll be looking for my double top trade. We already have one top and second top, which is what I'm waiting for here on Nemex platform. For now, just looking for bearish pullback trades as we are now below 50 and 20 EMA. Unless we are not broken above 50 EMA, I'm not looking for buy trades. Here on Ovanda, exactly the same. The zone has been mentioned already here, 1 and 1 above. Now I'm going to remove this zone and keep my charts really clean and simple like this. So all I'm looking at, a price action bearish engulfer till here. If we have a bearish engulfer, if there's no bearish engulfer, and let's say the price breaks above 50 EMA and above this high as well, in that case I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish till we are in the zone above, which is my counter trend trading zone, from where I'm going to look for the bearish engulfers or double top condition on smaller time frames like 1 and 4 hours. Next up, we have silver. Silver is still ranging, and silver is still inside a trend continuation bullish area. Exactly same as nat gas, we are still in an uptrend in the long term. As you can see on a higher time frame, we are still pushing, trending higher, price making new higher highs, higher lows, highs, lows, and then we can see another high and low. But for now, I'm not taking any trades on smaller time frame, as I take my trades on 4-hour time frame mainly. But I want to see a break above this high. Only then I'll start to look for my pullback and then a bullish engulfer and keep on taking longs. We do have a minor anchor level from where we can expect some pullbacks, which is 32.00. That goes to 32.51, from where we can expect some pullbacks before the price will continue to push up to the next major level, from where we will look for the reversals and counter trend trades. For now, wait for the price to break above this high. In that case, I'll start to look for my bullish trade. Or if the price forms, let's say, a triple bottom, we have 1, 2 and 3. If we have that, then we have a good chance the price will shoot up from this area. I've already marked my rejection box, which is something like this. And if the price without closing below this low forms a bullish engulfers or pin bar, that would be also a valid buy signal. And the zone below, which is right here, 28.71, that goes up to 29.72 here on Ovanda charts for my double bottom entry conditions. Next up, we have gold. Gold is still above the trend line, and we have not broken below the trend line. Bullish engulfer has been formed, but it is not something I look for my entries. But that is a confluence. The price is still in an uptrend, have not broken below this trend line. So as long as we are below 50 EMA, I'm not taking any buy trades until we are completely broken above 50 EMA and this high as well. Once we are broken above this high, I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish, and keep on taking longs till this minor anchor level. So for now, wait and see if the price hold above this trend line. If broken below, then we can start to look for the double bottom, exactly like silver, which is right here. And if the price falls here, forms a double bottom, in that case I'm going to start to look for my buying trade. So only looking for sell trades once we are completely broken below this low, and then I'm start to look for my next level of support, which I'm going to mention in the video once the price breaks below this low. Lastly, we have crude oil. So we have news zone here on crude oil, which is our trend continuation bullish area. It's 78.83. That goes up to 80.60. An area which is our trend continuation bullish area. I've already mentioned these zones to my members in the report, and as you can see, the bullish engulfer has been formed right here at this area, and price did push up from here and keep on pushing high. Now I'm still expecting a price to push up, not taking any sell trades, as now we are above the zone, above 50 EMA. Bullish engulfer has happened, so I'm expecting a price to push up from here. But once we are broken above this box, then we have a good shoot up. That is a very likely chance once we are broken above this box, but we have a buy condition and price will likely push up from here. We can still get a pullback to 50 EMA and bullish engulfer. That is also a chance. That is why I'll keep my stop loss below 50 EMA and take profit 1-to-1, and that's totally up to you. And then once the price is in good momentum, then we are looking at this level above, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming video once the price will break above in a good momentum. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.